Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Spin Pakistan. You are watching our unboxing and first impression look at the gold edition of the Meizu Pro 7. This is a phone that was released actually few weeks ago in Pakistan, so it's now completely new to the market. But one of the benefits is the price, which is around 46,000 PKR, which makes a pretty good deal for a highly unique and innovative smartphone. Meizu is also one of the better Chinese brands in my opinion as far as creating original devices, and they use Flyme OS. As you can see, the box is looking very interesting and it reminds of a book, and it just say Pro 7 and on the top it says Meizu design. Alright, now we should slide open the compartment like this, again made out of plastic, and inside we have another box. So there is an inner compartment. We have the phone sandwiched in between this little box inside, which is a very unusual way of presenting the phones, but again very unique design. Again we said we have a Meizu design logo. We have the SIM ejector tool. You can pull out the phone, which is in gold color. It's extremely vibrant and colorful. So we have another few compartments inside of here. There is actually the case. So there is a free included case, which is nice little bonus, and it's made out of an acrylic plastic, and it has the cutout for 2 inches display on the back. There is also a USB Type-C charging cable. It supports quick charge, and we have the various documentation guides. It looks like it's printed in Chinese as well as in English. And we also have the charger, but there is no headphones. It looks like these are not included with the Pro 7. So coming back to the phone in a very vibrant shade of gold, if we peel off the back protector, back again we have that 2 inches screen, which is an AMOLED panel, that dual camera setup with the full dual tone LED flash. This is a unibody phone as you would expect from a flagship product, and it feels extremely well made. That have just embedded antenna LED bands on the top and at the bottom, and we also have the USB Type-C. There is a standard headphone port, which is nice to see. Meizu, they actually started off about 10 years ago making MP3 and MP4 players, so they are also known for making quality audio devices. Hopefully the sound quality of this will also holds up. There is also a speaker, as you can see. It's a very slim device. At the side there is a volume rocker, a dedicated power key. On the top there is just a microphone, and on the other side there is a SIM tray. On the front we have access to the fingerprint scanner, a front facing 16 megapixel camera, and a 5.2 inches Full HD 1080p AMOLED display. So it's going to be sufficient for the most folks as far as having a large inner screen size for interacting, but it also not quite large as a phablet, which makes holding it a bit more challenging. So it fits well in the hand. Overall I think it's a pretty looking and attractive. It's a classic looking design. We have a secondary display which can be activated simply by flipping over the phone as an accelerometer, of course, or I can also double tap to activate the screen again. A very nice looking panel in terms of contrast because it has AMOLED screen, and there is also that amazing logo on the bottom. Overall it looks like a pretty elegant and a distinctive design from the rear. Now if we talk about the menu, definitely very different looking from any stock experience. All the icons are very flat looking, and there is no consolidated app tray. So all of our apps are scattered on unlimited pages, which we can populate with more programs and widgets as we download more. We can drag down to have the notification panel. So guys, that's all from our unboxing review of this very pretty, distinctive and eye-catching unique Meizu Pro 7. The golden color here really pops up. It's definitely a distinctive phone. If you are tired of seeing the same old Android devices, then this must be a fun to consider now. We have premium features in this device which should satisfy more users, so we will have to do more testing to find out, but from now it looks like pretty promising device. And stay tuned for the comparison reviews coming out soon. Thanks for watching this video of unboxing and first impression of the Meizu Pro 7. Do subscribe our channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and family for the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.